Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. Okay, in this video, as you can see from the title itself, we are going to discuss most important questions of biology for FA-2. Okay, so this is our main focus. Okay, not only that guys, if you read all the questions what I am going to discuss you here in this video, these questions will be very helpful for you to crack your SSC biology exam as well. Okay, so please don't skip the video. Please write it down separately in your biology notes, or else you just mark all the questions whatever I'll be giving you here in this video. Okay, these questions are very important guys, let me tell you. So please don't skip the video, just watch till the end, and please share the video with your friends also, so that they may also mark it and read it and give their best in the exam. Okay, let's start without wasting any time. Okay, so 10th class biology most important questions. So we have how many chapters we have for biology? We have only two chapters, right? One is control and coordination. Second one is how do organisms reproduce. Okay, so from this means these two chapters are for FA2 biology exam 2025 to 2026. Let's start guys. So from first chapter control and coordination, 8 marks questions will be. First one, how do you show phototropism in plants? Describe the procedure of the experiment. Okay, this is important. Next, second question. How is brain protected? Explain its structure briefly. Okay. Next, third question is, describe the structure of a neuron. This is very most important question, guys. Okay, describe the structure. Actually these four are these four questions are important for 8 marks. Okay, don't think only these questions are important. Okay, I'm just marking these type of questions which are most important. Okay, so you have to go through all the four questions, remember. So let's see. Third question is, describe the structure of a neuron and explain its function. How is its structure suitable for the transmission of information? Next, fourth question. Write briefly about different hormones in plants. Okay. Now we'll move to the 4 marks questions from this chapter, control and coordination. Okay, let's see. First question is, how are involuntary actions and reflex actions different from each other? Next question, compare two types of movements shown in plants. Third question, what are the difference between reflex action and walking? Okay, understood? Let's see the fourth question, which is, what precautions do you suggest to take steps in order to avoid goiter disease? Next, fifth one, diabetics is a chronic disease. What measures do you suggest to control blood sugar level? Okay, now we'll move to 2 marks questions, which are, first one is, define reflex arc, give an example. Next, second one, give an example each for growth promoting and inhibiting phytohormones. Okay, next, third one, expand CNS and PNS. Next, fourth one, what is the role of the brain in reflex actions? Next, fifth one, what is the need of taking iodine in food? Okay, write the consequences of iodine deficiency in food. Okay, if you don't take iodine in food, so what are the drawbacks? You need to explain it. Okay, so next, sixth one, compare coordination in plants and animals. Seventh question, what questions do you ask to an endocrinologist about hormones? Okay, the next question is, how does chemical coordination occurs in plants? Sorry, in animals. Sometimes they'll ask you in plants as well. Okay, so ninth one, what will be the consequences of the damage of cerebrum? Which important actions will be lost? Okay, this is the ninth question, guys. Okay, next, 10th question is, why are some diabetic patients treated by giving injections of insulin? Okay. Next, 11th question. What questions do you ask about coordination in animals? Okay, so next question. How does our body responds when adrenaline is secreted into the blood? Okay, these are the 12 questions for 2 marks. Now we'll move to the next chapter, which is how do organisms reproduce? In this chapter, we'll go for 8 marks questions, means important 8 marks questions from this chapter, which are first question. Describe the procedure followed by you to observe vegetative propagation in potatoes. Next, second question. Describe the modes of asexual reproduction. Very important. Next, third one. Write the procedure followed by you to conduct vegetative propagation by stem cutting in the money plant. Okay, next, fourth question. Describe the procedure followed by you in your school laboratory to observe the spores in bread molds. Okay, so actually these two questions, first and fourth question, are somewhat same. Okay, so they'll ask you anyone from this. Okay, understood? Now we'll move to the 4 marks question from this chapter, which are first one is write slogans to aware people on female feticides. Okay, very important. Next, second one. What precautions will you take to keep away from STDs? Third one. Give an example for contraceptive that can protect us from STDs. Next, fourth one. Draw a labeled diagram of female reproductive system or else longitudinal section of a flower. Here you have to means practice the diagram of female reproductive system as well as longitudinal section of a flower. They will give you any one of them, and at the same time they will ask you male reproductive system as well. Okay, next, fifth question is give suggestions to your friends to be aware of reproductive health. Okay, next, last question will be explain pollen grains or explain male reproductive system with a diagram. They will ask you, and sometimes they'll ask you about the neuron, bob-like structure, whatever it may be. For this 4 questions, you need to draw a diagram also. Okay, please remember. I hope guys this video is very helpful for you, so please don't forget to skip any of the questions from this video. So these are all the 4 marks, these are all the important questions which will be helpful for you for this exam, means FA-2 exam, then summative exam, then last public exam as well. Okay, so guys, please share this video to your friends so that they may also write it down and prepare it for exam. So if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to hit the like button, do subscribe and join me on WhatsApp and Telegram. Thank you so much. If you still have any doubts, please comment me below in the comment section. Bye bye, take care.